Hello, happy word read aloud day. So tonight I'll be reading to you my favorite line in this book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. So my favorite line is in page 107 and it goes like this. It is here that we find two ways to put ourselves in control of our lives immediately. We can make a promise and keep it, or we can set a goal and work to achieve it. As we make and keep commitments, even small commitments, we begin to establish an inner integrity that gives us the awareness of self-control and the courage and strength to accept more of the responsibility of our own lives. By making and keeping promises to ourselves and others, little by little, our honor becomes greater than our moods. The power to make and keep commitments to ourselves is the essence of developing the basic habits of effectiveness. Hope you like it!